Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL, the steel company with a golden heart in the fight against corona. And SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant provides special allowance to employees and contract workers for use of PPEs to safeguard against COVID-19. Now the news in details. Steel Authority of India Limited SAIL continues to be at the forefront of India's fight against COVID-19. Under the guidance of Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister of Petrol, Natural Gas and Steel, SAIL has contributed Rs 4 crore to 4 states, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, in which its 5 integrated steel plants are located. The company has contributed Rs 1 crore each, amounting to Rs 4 crore to the CM relief funds of these states respectively. The steel plants located in these states are Bokaro Steel Plant in Jharkhand, Rourkela Steel Plant in Odisha, Bhilai Steel Plant in Chhattisgarh and Durgapur Steel Plant and ISCO Steel Plant in West Bengal. Sri Anil Kumar Chaudhary, Chairman SAIL, commented SAIL has stepped forward and decided to contribute Rs 1 crore each to the CM relief fund of the 4 states where we have our integrated steel plants, apart from Rs 30 crore contribution to the PM Care Fund, and its employee also having contributed their one-day salary amounting to around Rs 9 crore to this fund earlier. The company has enhanced its medical facility across its plants and units in coordination with local authorities of respective state governments in its fight against COVID-19. SAIL has spearheaded various measures to fight against the spread of coronavirus at a pan-India level, including wide distribution of masks and sanitizers. It has set up around 300 isolation beds and around 600 quarantine facilities in its plant and unit, hospitals and township for the benefit of people of the surrounding regions. It has also mobilized other facilities for medical service such as COVID testing laboratory at SAIL Ispat General Hospital at Rourkela and a dedicated COVID care center at SAIL Bokaro General Hospital at Bokaro. The company has handed over 5 ventilators to Odisha government through its Rourkela Steel Plant for treatment of corona patient. It has also undertaken massive Annadan program under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana at its plant and unit location, including 2 of company's steel processing units at Kandodri in Himachal Pradesh and Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has been making relentless effort to safeguard the employees, contract labor and other stakeholders against the pandemic COVID-19. Besides making massive cleanliness and sanitization drive both inside the plant and the steel township, the steel plant is also sensitizing the employees and contract labor working in the plant about the importance of social distancing, frequent sanitation of hands and use of masks to safeguard them from the deadly disease. Taking into account the additional cost being borne by the employees and the contract labor for ensuring their safety and protecting themselves from COVID-19 and other infections, the company has decided to provide allowance to the regular employee, including trainees and the contract labor who are engaged in sustaining continuous operation essential service as per the duty roster for the expenditure incurred on buying PPE and personal hygienic product like masks, hand sanitizer, disposal gloves, etc. As per the circular issued in this regards, all regular employees working in the works area, project area, medical, paramedical, health and sanitation worker of Cell RSP Hospital Township will get rupees 150 per day, and all regular employees of non-works area will get rupees 100 per day on the basis of their presence at workplace. However, employees under work from home are not covered under the scheme. Similarly, the contract labor will pay rupees 50 per day on actual attendance at their allocated worksite basis. The contractor will pay the sum to the contract workers and the company will reimburse the same on the submission of appropriate documents. The scheme was for the period from 1st April to 19th April 2020. With this, we come to end of this